Hey, so welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a thing now. So yeah, this is my channel, Just Tahm, or Just Tahm. What is this channel going to be about? It's mostly going to be car stuff and car-related things. There'll be some build blogs where it's going to be focused mostly on me and people I'm friends with doing builds on our various vehicles, and that's what essentially is going to be the majority of my content. I'll do some day in the life stuff, but let's be honest, my life really isn't that interesting, so we'll see how that goes. It's gonna be fun to edit and post. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Filming this in my shit little garage. So let's go over some car stuff. First build is my 2013 Subaru WRX hatchback. It's already got a couple mods done to it. It's got the Cobb short throw shifter. It's got a ARC Performance catback exhaust, which is super nice. And then I have some JNC wheels that are they're the TE37 style. They're great wheels. They do the job, and they're wrapped in Falcon Azenis tires. Like, that's where the car is as it sits right now. Another fun fact is I just recently got an oil consumption check on it, because it was like my low oil light was coming on at like 3,000 miles in an oil change, which is not okay. So I got an oil consumption test done, and in 1,500 miles I burned something ridiculous like 2.7 quarts of oil. So guess what? Getting a new engine! Thankfully, I have that extended warranty, and it's covered. So, you know, hey, free stock motor. Alright, so let's kind of go over a little bit. Let's talk about installing that ARC exhaust, because that was a freaking pain in the butt. Here, I'll show you where I did it. Alright, so this is my little garage, right? And I had my car in here. And I was trying not to make noise because, you know, I may or may not be technically allowed to, you know, do maintenance in this garage. But that's our secret. But no, check out these. Hang on, let me get lighter. There you go. Look at how crusty and nasty that shit is. Yeah, so I had to pull this whole thing out. This whole thing I pulled out in one piece. Those are speakers, by the way. Those are actually subwoofers. They're really big. If you want them, I'll sell them to you. These are parts and tools. It's more parts. I don't think you guys want to see that because this garage is a bunch of bullshit. Yeah, like I said, I guess this is episode 1 of the build blog. Let's make this episode 1 of the build blog. I'll put those there. So yeah, so let's open up the fucking boxes. Now, this box...
The Mac Daddy.
Now we're getting into the good shit. Alright, so here we got some coilovers from Petter. It's an Australian company. You know, they're nothing fancy. They're like some entry-level coilovers, but, you know, they come, you know, highly recommended. They're good quality, you know, so we're going to be throwing those in today. Like I was saying earlier, not trying to spend a shit ton of money right now, but quality is where it's at. So we'll put those in, let you guys know how they are. And then this box, which I haven't opened yet, from White Line, is sway bars.
It could be anything since you haven't opened it yet.
Yeah, it really could be anything. This could be Mustang parts, which is entirely possible.
Which is entirely fine.
Oh my god.
Garage full of tools.
Garage full of tools,
no knife.
I have the thing for multi-tool.
Should be a knife in there.
But there's no multi-tool.
Oh, well, the pouch is half the battle. Dude, can we use one of your 2 TVs to open it?
Yes. Alright, so found my multi-tool.
I don't think it's the proper name.
Alright. Looks like these are the end links with the bushings and the stuff. Yeah. Here's some more bushings with then links, and then here's the actual sway bars. So we're gonna throw all of this shit in the car, hopefully today.
At the very least, we open the box. So
Boxes are open, and honestly, that is half the battle right there.
Really, we could just call it a day.
We really could. I mean, thanks for tuning in today. Install video is gonna be, whenever the fuck I edit and post it, whenever the hell I edit and post it. Just kidding. We're not gonna fucking do that because I fucking hate that shit. Why?
Has the car never fallen on you?
Yeah.
It has?
Yeah.
And you're still this brave?
Yeah. No, dude. Fucking full send. If I die, I die. Remember that, kids. If you die, you die. Just kidding. That's terrible fucking advice for the kids.
Brave and hear a fucking plank. And you'd be like, oh, okay. Can't feel my legs, but I'm okay. Super. Dude, this is cool. How come you haven't used this yet?
I'm going to.
You are?
Yeah.
It's the tire paint, by the way.
Weren't you making fun of me for painting tires?
Huh?
Weren't you making fun of me
Yeah,
for
like
that?
stock tires.
No, I'm trying to paint these fancy ass Falcons.
Oh, yeah, that's fair. Dude, you are brave.
Dude, full send.
You didn't want to send it because you thought your engine was going to blow up.
Well, apparently my engine did blow up. I mean, the car's not that bad off. It's a little bit off, but we're not going to be underneath the car.
I'm not going to be underneath the car.
We'll be okay. If the car starts getting crazy, we can run away. We got health insurance.
Do you want me to get the stock tires and put them underneath so we can, like...
Nah. So we got some bolts down there. Gonna have to make sure that we take care of this brake line. Take care of this line as well. That's about it for under here. All right. Gotta make sure the lighting's good.
Yes, he told you we wouldn't need PB Blaster.
Yeah, well, I always like to, keep it on hand. Oh, and by the way, fun fact, if you guys don't have like another 19 mil, which is what these bolts are, they're both 19s, you can use your little tire lug as your breaker bar. Fun fact, in case you didn't know, because I didn't until just now.
Ooh, I like it.
It's a good one, right?
Oh, yeah.
Hand me the extension. Get my fucking head in here.
Do you have a torque wrench?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Right here.
Ah. Oh, is that the German torque?
It is. Good and tight.
Ah, dude, your car, you're gonna die. You take like no safety precautions at all.
I haven't died yet.
Dude, like a third of my time is looking up torque specs for everything I take off.
Tight as fuck, man. That's what your torque spec is.
Dude.
We'll look up the torque specs, but I'm telling you, it's tight. Like, once you pass a certain threshold, it's all the same.
Like, there's tight, and then you have like sort of tight, and then you have like crank it down tight.
Well, I can tell you that these were crank it down like holy shit tight.
Where's your hammer?
Found a hammer.
Dude, right, next time I'm just gonna do this on my house.
You want me to grab a hammer?
No. I am very satisfied with your ingenuity. Extremely satisfied.
It's probably the
That's actually what we need.
Yeah.
The little rubber mallet.
Yeah. Little rubber mat. There's one.
Oh, there's two.
And there's two. Okay. I was not ready. No, it's just awkward one-handed.
Handed?
Yeah. All right. I guesstimate that if we drop this down approximately an inch, we'll be sitting right where I want to be.
You know what we should have done?
What's that?
Taken actual measurements from the wheel to the fender. Then you would have had like perfect. Check it up again.
Hand me the measuring tape.
From what to what? From the top to the bottom?
because like I'm trying to make sure that that it will line up. Like,
all right,
you know,
give me a
like,
sec. Oh, from bolt to bolt?
Yeah.
All right, give me a sec. Well, it looks like 8 millimeters would actually be more accurate. So millimeters. If I measured correctly from hole to hole. Yeah, these are longer than stock. The distance from the top hole to the bottom hole.
God damn it, John.
Maybe you should message him and see what the haggling is.
Oh, goddamn! So this sucks. Oh, you gonna hold it for me?
Yeah, I like to hold it.
Okay. All right. So this sucks. So apparently, we got the wrong kit. The part number that we got are 1625. What we need is 1624. The dude that hooked us up with these, he just plugged in the wrong part number. Shit happens, with car parts.
By one number.
By one number. And these even say it's supposed to fit my car, but I guess it's with like a special hub option or something like that. I don't know, but he has them in stock. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna see if the rears fit, because if the rears fit, he's just gonna send out the fronts, because the front ones we're having the one with the issues with. Obviously we won't do the full install, but we'll at least see if they fit, and then assuming that they do, he'll send out just the fronts, or we'll send the whole kit back. I don't know, but we'll work it out. We'll let you know how that turns out. Measured up the rear one, and it's like, just while it was in the car, it was too close to tell, so we're just like, dude, just hook it up, just like send us the whole new kit. Which is really disappointing, because I've been sitting on these parts for like a month and a half now, and I was really excited to throw these in here. And like, you know what, come over here. Like, you can, so just so you can see like how close, like, pass me that. Like, that is how close, like, we're talking. We're off. Like, we can get that one in and not that one. Like, oh, it's...
We're a millimeter off.
Yeah, it's a millimeter off. Yeah, we're gonna throw the stock one back in. Good practice though, really easy to do. If it had worked.
Where are the parts that fit?
Over there, hopefully. So yeah, we're gonna just try to do sway bars. Hopefully the sway bars work. So we're gonna throw this in. We're not gonna film it, and we're just gonna, next time you see us, we'll just cut to throwing in
Where we left off.
struts, or not struts, sway bars. We're gonna be doing sway bars and end lengths. Just kidding. Turn it off. Hey guys, this is Future Tom. Realized I didn't film an outro because I was so ticked about the damn coilovers not fitting. So, hope you enjoyed it. It's the first video, so hopefully they get better. Yeah, so next episode is going to be us installing sway bars and end links, which goes marginally better. So stay tuned for that, and see you then.